Malemgi honglagli inga sagi phibam sida food amasung nutritional security gi matangda national seminar ama chief minister na hongdokre. Meeting tabi besting butaram okcheri pau sandok na pijari. Manipur asi picture abasu potential yamna leiba mafam ama oiba maramna lamdam masida leiriba longmi shingi setmitlon gi fibam phagat hannaba agriculture natraga horticulture ga mari leinaba pothok sing marang kaina puthokpa matam oire haina chief minister okram ibobina phongdokre wafam asi malemgi aying asagi khalda ahongba kaya lakliba asida agriculture horticulture masung allied research sing punsinaduna chinjak amasung nutritional security ki matangda pangthokpa national seminar ama hawdokpagi thoramda phongdokhibani rims ki jubilee hall da pangthokhiba seminar aduda mahakna makhatana haikibada lamdam asida leiriba akhang ahai kya amadi scientist singna akanba thabak paikhat piduna lamdam asigi longmi singna thengnariba khudongsa daba singasi mengkhatuna makhoi makhoi gi imung manung puba ngamnana bahona hanbada mateng pangbiu haina su appeal tawki.
So this is the right time we should have to think seriously. What I am saying, the scientists, the vice chancellor, whomsoever director, are not seriously thinking, and we should have to think seriously and how to produce more fruit grain and how to get benefit to our farmers, so that our nation's economy will be grown like anything. Only then, when the India and Manipur will be prosper.
Thoramadula Central Agricultural University के Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Premjit, MU Gihana के Vice Chancellor Dr. H. Tombi Singh, YSP University of Horticulture and Forestry, Solan Gihana के Vice Chancellor Dr. K. R. Diman, CSK Himachal Pradesh Agricultural University Palampur के Vice Chancellor Dr. K. K. Katost, Amadi ICAR Research Complex North East Hill Region Meghalaya के Director Dr. S. V. Ngachan Susaruk Yaki. ICAR Research Complex North East Hill Region Sinduna Pangthokliba Seminar asida akhang ahai kiana paper pathokani. Thoramadu saruk ama oina longmi shingi exhibition amasu Chief Minister na hangdokhi. Ngasi ayu pung 8:30 tabada Uripok Huidrom Lekai machinda leiba Sagrakpam Rajesh Kauba mioi amagi yungi gate mamangda khamduna leiba I-10 car amagi makhada Chinese hand grenade ama leiram le hairi. Police ki bomb expert sing laktuna bomb madu lakholaba matung langgol gi mafam amada pokhai hankre hairi imung manungi mioi sing phongdorakpada maha kerosene agent ni maha kanagumba party amatana demand tawrakpa nungaina daba leite mahak na pai ba kerosene supply ki thabak asi kanagumba kharana pining bagi oigaja chingnaba lei hairi Amaromda ngasi ayupung 8 rom taba matamda yumnam lekai lairembi maningde leiba yumnang khemjan Singhagi yungi thongal wang madasu hand grenade ama leirambadagi Imphal police station ki police personnel singna asoi angam yaudana lokthokre hairi Yairipok Bisnu Nahada Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibi Lai Committee amasung ukal aningi akhanaba mifam amana umang lai haraubada tawgadaba tawroidaba sing khana nainakre Khunjau Laichau naba chahong ahong naba tangdu laitana nungai yai fanabagi dama kanglon chumna lai harau naba lepnakre hairi Paugi marakthana tenba brem tang lozari
Adung karigumba awabasing asi mayungnaba thoklaba maroi marang yamna yawba chunjak chaba mapalda toina chaba liverda akaiba laklaba natraga livergi mapangan chontharakpa tarabasu karishu waningai leitre lifsaf syrup sijinabiu adungi awaba punamak koknabigi pambaini diabetic na naraba anabasingnasu sijinnaba yaraba lifsaf capsule shu phangbigani lifsaf syrup amadi lifsaf capsule naraga laingba budi Narjingai da saksal hobana hena fai
Classic Hospitality Training Institute tha taruk ke oiba special job oriented course ama haujaragani hariba course asi tha ahum theory ni amadi internship tha ahum ni courses singa dudi level 1 certificate in front office operations food and beverage service operations amadi housekeeping operation ni Mars ke tang tare tagi class haujaragani hena akupamarol gidama Classic Hospitality Training Institute Babina Diagnostic Building 3rd floor Rims Road contact of you
India gi ahanba national award di government of India na piba Silver Dew. Makhal suna leijare half liter, 750 ml, 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter and 20 liter jar. As in distributor amadi akupa marol loktak industry industrial state takiel da contact tobiu
Manipuri ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na jingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ngasimak unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
Delightful cupcakes with creamy vanilla filling from Winkies, the cake specialist. Swiss rolls with exotic fillings from Winkies, the cake specialist.
Amuka na taram noksari. Imphal More lambi gi hauzik oiriba phibam JAC Imphal More Road Transport Association gi mihut kangbu amana ngarang pawmi singaloina duna yengsilure. JAC gi President Ngangom Haridas na Imphal More lambi gi hauzik phibam yamna phatriba si mari leinaba authority na handaki nungju tha laktringai Semjindrabadi gari chatpa yadabagi fibam da leiragani. Technopal Police Station ki khanong pokta kilometer amarum chatlaga chingning khairiba asina chathok chasinda khudong sahandre masida natana Technopal Khongkhang Khul Army Camp Manak Lokchau Mathak Lengang Tabi Kwatha Lamkhai amadi Mahadev Mapagi lambi singa sisu nung tadringaida semhaudrabadi chatpa yadabagi fibam da leire haiki. JAC ki Joint Secretary Ahan Them Thakeshwar, Treasurer Thonga Munal, Educative Member M Razat Su Khongchat aduda loinaki.
Agasta Shingiba, Lambi Shina, Makaba, Shambiramaga, Gari Lilam Amma, Katabok, Satayana, Tambiramaga, Ojipauda, and Yamide, Aduna Hoji, Nungutala, Kataba, Tani, Matamashida, Manipur Saka, and Marila, about Tradishina, Lambi Shi, Amnatuna, Shenjan Miduna, Nayeta, Mayata Patomiba, returning while Chalaga, Shenjan Bidagadi, Nungutala, Kataba, Tani, Matamashidi, Lambi Shamukahana. Sathi film the Tatkagani. Lambi chi Takibitagadi, Nageta diversion people metabina. Suspension bridge Sabanatadi, Aquanamasi, Otolo have Wakanda, Tamjari, Maramaduna, Manipur Saka, Amadi Luna, Marinaba, Vivaxina, Lambi Atumatum, Shamjan Biduna, while the Vasashi, Listen view, make up you, Kalas time view. Andro Kendra gi polling station nifudagi mioi tara na upliftment Andro committee semduna lakadori ba mikhal asida Dr. Nimai Chan Luwang bu Andro Kendra da mirep ohenna ba thorang tawri haina committee gi president MD Fakhruddin na phongdokre Manipur Press Club ta pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Dr. Nimai Chan Luwang Wangkhem Kendra da mangarak mikhal da mai paktuna minister fawba oikraba luchingbani Andro Kendra da hauzik sothana lairiba asida mahakumba mioi ama Kendra asigi damak thagatnaba phirep lobani haiki
committee lecture from se luang mai pa ho thon da election sida isa sang da bin da mo thuaga tungi sa thorang da yang thok to da zat bizat khai da dharma dharmi yeng da da ka le mising punna sa to mina bhai mising ma sa na suyari ko ki sumas andam wena Abuzil Tabo Sida, Pardas and Military Kanakana, who is in Tokyo. Luang support committee said Sumba, Tanzasi, Manipuri, Pada Punumuta, of the prison Candidate Kulamaka, Sensan, Ibawa, Aliva, Massinam, when the sort of the Tinder set, who can have done and broken and who said we have a Masaka. Neriva, is an option second row, Mite Pangan, Mite.
Sky Hospital amadi Manipur Heart Foundation Singjubung Youth Organization ga khusamnaduna nongmagi oiba lemna heart screening tawbagi kemama Singjubung makhongda pangthokre punnamioi yankhai nipan rom screening tawbagi khudongchaba phangki Sky Hospital gi chairman Dr. L Syam Kishore na Laying duna fabadagi ngakthok haubana hena fai haiba pandamda ke masi pangthokpani hakchang manung de leiriba thamoi gi chap chaba phibam khangdabana tanglaba mioibagi mapok arembada mangba yawi hairi
haibada heart city manung de leibanina koigi na dana uba adu manung de soma ba aduna pop turaga sigi besi yamna yawre manipur da na tana mapanda yamna sutabira mani nong nongna leigidaba yamna koigi laibak thiba haitare leigidaba yamna prominent figure India ki prominent figure singsu pop tu dan lagi deba yawi heart attack tagi adana madu khangdong nana ba adugi pandamda ngasi akoi Sky Hospital adaba Manipuri Foundation singjebung jur organization ga kusamnana ngasi gi free heart camp si pangdok sabani
Cabinet ki warep matung ina primary amasung graduate oza academic performance ta yenglaga logani haikiba warep Kanglai Park Students Association na chatnaba yaroi haidi school chatana pass tawkiba exam phamdana mark wangna pass tawkiba CBSE gi mahiroina Manipur board ta changlakpada pass tawba ngamkidabagi wari lairabani amaromda lairik hairaga exam da laibak thibadagi mark nemba kaya amasu lairibani asigumba phiba masida matau karamna oza khanbada academic performance ta khangadawribano masigi mahuta mamangda tawkibagum written test tawgadabani hena magul laiba oza khananaba amadi semdok senjin yadanabagi damak OMR sit seasonaduna tawgadabani hairi Chandel District Hospital Fatahaudi Hundokpham Laitabana Hospital gi akoiba amotpana thale hairi Haujik Hospital asigi Dr. Taramari Nurse Taramathoi lai adum oinamak Dr. amadi staff singi matik chaba quarter laitabana Dr. Ani khak rotation da thabak taunaduna OPD amasung hospital da lairiba anabasing layengbada khudong sadaba kaya mayoknari haina Committee on Protection of Tribal Rights ke advisor TS Betona pendaba phongdorakli Committee asina Maha Area Chief Association ke members singa paumi singaloinana District Hospital ADC Chandel ki dispensary CMO office District Malaria Officer amadi District TV Officer ke office sing chatuna yengshinkhi All India State Government Employee Confederation na Kendra Sarkar ki mayukta neoliberal economy policy ki mayukta March 13 da khungjang changsingani leplamba adu Manipur gi oina class 10 amasung 12 ki exam leiba maramna governor da memorandum amakhaktamak pishillagani haina All Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturer Welfare Association ki chairol amana haidi Minor Irrigation Department ki thabak tagi potha khraba officer amadi employees sing kainabagi thoram ama All Manipur Minor Irrigation Department Employee Association sinduna lamphel patal leiba department asigi office complex ta pangthokre thoram adu da Minor Irrigation ki principal secretary JC Ramthanga Association ki president S Sanjit Department asigi chief engineer L Gaurakishore susaruk yakhi thoram adu ki saruk ama oina department ki engineer amadi contractor singna Mateng panglaktuna semba department ki green park amasu hangdokhi thabak tagi potha khraba singda khudol pot piduna ikai khumnaki association ki president S Sanjitna punna thabak tawinari ngaida soikhiba lankhiba kaya kauthokna duna matungda su nungsi chanana loina khisi haiki chief engineer L Gaurakishore na thabak tagi potha khraba su department asina paikhalakpa thabak thoram singda mateng pangbiu haiki chief guest oikhiba principal secretary JC Ramthangana Thabak tagi potha bahaibasi awaba numit natte nungaiba numit amani haina logadabani ek amadi conduct rule kayana phajenduna thamlamba adu ngasidagi dining tamlabani masina punsigi ani shuba khongthang ama ning tamna pangthokpa ngamlagani haiki
Process of working on various programs under AIBP 102 schemes under RIDF work will be started very soon under NEC, NLCPR, even under the state plan, we are doing something. Even though we are not able to do as much as we would like to, because wages for the workers, people have to be managed from out of the state plan fund. Anyway, we have a lot of work ahead of us. The new government has change the pattern of AIBP and we are struggling how to have this so-called district irrigation plan prepared and approved as soon as possible.
Kuntarit Suba Assam Rifles na Jiribangi Rongaijang Khulda hi ama pikre Thoromadu da battalion asigi CO Ais Romesu Saruk Yaki Nongju tha mathamda Jiri Turelgi Wang Mada Lairiba Namdailong Alu Bazar amadi Jamtilagi Kunjas Singna Lanthok Lansin Tawbada Mateng Oinana Bahi asi pikibani Kada Konthauzam Kangjebung Unit Hangdokre Sapam Ongbi Pramodinibu President Konthauzam Ongbi Medhabu General Secretary Oina Khankre Mumbai gi Vekola area da nupa macha amana Manipur dagi nupi amabu tathi tawoina tawkhiba thong Northeast Forum for International Solidarity Nefis na kana yaning da ba phongdokre Maharashtra government na hiramasida athuba matamda yengshinduna city eduda थेंनरिबा अवांग नोंपोक मियामगी खुदोंचादबसिंग थोक्तनबा होनागदबनी हाइरी मालेमगी होंगलगिबा इंगासागी फिबमसिदा फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशनल सिक्योरिटी की मतंगदा नेशनल सेमिनार अमा चीफ मिनिस्टर ना हौदोखरे मिरेंग ताबिरिबसिंगबु अमुका नखुमजरी